Let's go! Let's go!
Mookie.
I'm gonna...
Hey. I don't have mods. I'm
What?
just good at the game. Look. Whoa.
Okay, which slide should we go to? We gotta go to the slides.
That one. Up there.
Alright, let's go. Hold me. Alright, here we go.
You know, if you hold the trigger button, you could do Monkey Car, Spider-Man.
Yo, what's in here? Yo, there's actual shops.
Oh yeah, they have cosmetics. Spider Monkey.
How do you get up there?
Hold the trigger and then just look at the wall. Whee!
Oh, what the heck?
It just pulls you
Oh,
forward.
that's how you get up. They have the
Yeah, watch.
thingy.
Look, and I have low gravity. Oh my gosh.
Oh god. Woo!
Yeah!
Let's see who could get all the way up first.
Okay.
Without the mod thingy.
Okay. Well, you started
That was
before
easy.
me. Okay, this is actually kind of hard.
Sure.
Oh, wait, no.
Wait, what's up
Remember
the rocks?
mechanics.
Wait, the rocks. Come up here. You
Yes.
can get out of the map super easy. Like you were-
Yeah, I know. It's so easy.
Where are you?
Right here.
Use the Spider-Man thing. Oh, follow me.
Whee!
Ready? Look over the
Wait,
edge.
no.
Okay, look down there. No.
Don't fall. Wait. Stand on the edge. Stand on the edge.
No. Follow me.
Whee! That looks like... Wait,
There's
this looks like a monkey face. Look. This looks like a green monkey face.
Hey, yeah, you're right. There's something here, I know.
Look.
There's gotta be.
I have an idea.
Look around.
Monkey. Okay.
There's nothing here. There's gotta be like a secret. Lake. I'm in the lake.
I'm coming! Whee!
I'm gonna check behind rocks. I know there's gotta be some secret.
Oh, wait. Look. I have banana car.
How do you do that?
Hold the trigger.
Oh, no. Oh,
I need to go get the beach
There's another
ball.
set of rocks over here.
Yeah, why is there just random rocks?
That's what I'm seeing. I thought there was like a mines.
That's what I thought.
Wait, can you crawl your way in? No.
Here, I'll push you in there. Beach ball.
Ball. Look around.
Boink.
I'm looking for secrets.
Wait, can you just like
Gotta
look
be
up?
some.
Like look up in real life? Watch this. I'm gonna do a cool trick. Ready? Very cool.
Alright. Wait,
My
can you
headset
go?
almost fell off my head. Wait.
Yo, watch.
Wait, if I use the glitch,
I'm
then I could just go up.
Yo, I'm going. I'm gonna make myself.
Okay,
Oh
this
my
is
God.
really weird. You should not be able to go
wait.
up a slide this way.
Wait, give me a second.
I did it! No! I was at the top!
Wait, I'm going back to Treehouse to check something.
Okay.
Removed old maps. No!
Why?
He
Didn't they have like a
actually
pool
removed them.
rooms and cave?
Yeah, they did.
I think
But
they
I think
removed it
because the
because
servers were glitching. The servers were glitching, well. So I think that's... Let's try to get up there.
ready?
First one up wins.
Spider-Man.
Let's go. No!
I'm up.
No! I did not make it up.
I used Spider-Man. Watch. Look, I could go over
Bro,
there. Whee!
I meant without it.
Oh, okay.
No!
I got this. Okay, ready?
I'm not gonna
On
try
your mark.
it.
Guess I go.
Actually, try to go. Wait, get over here. Let's test your actual game skill in Gorilla Tag. Get up on these rocks. Get over here.
Okay.
Get over here. First one to get up there wins. Go.
No spider monkey.
Go. No spider monkey, yeah.
So hard. Even though there's no slippery
And
walls,
I'm
my
up.
hands are weird. Help me!
I
Okay,
did it.
I'm just gonna Spider-Man.
Yo, it is a monkey. Look it.
It's like the Gorilla Tag monkey, but fat.
R.I.P. No, he died. Hello, darkness. Bro, sad music. There's gonna be some secret.
Wait, if I go in the water outside of the map, do I just die?
What water?
There's water outside of the map.
That's not water. That's
Boink!
death.
Boink!
I swear.
There actually
Yo,
is
there's
though.
water actually outside of the
Jupiter
map.
gravity. Ready? Watch.
Yeah, there's water outside the map. You're supposed to be able to swim. You used to be able to swim.
Yeah, you can. Look. If you use the thing, you could actually control it.
I'm gonna climb up with the
Is this what Gorilla Tag modders feel
mods
like?
or whatever they added.
My mom just walked in and said I was being too loud. Where'd you go?
Nowhere.
This looks like a 0, kind of. This looks like a 2.
It's 5.
Looks like a 1. I can Lucio, finally.
I'm gonna
Low gravity.
2,
You go in.
1, let's go. Let's go!
Oh! I made it all the way up here. I'm
How?
coming down! I'm gonna
You
do
wanna
a
see something
hospital flip. Wait, watch this.
What's a hospital flip? Yeah, you can just.
No! I got all the way up once, but then I fell.
Wait, I do know another way. It involves you. Oh my god! I glitched out the slide. Let me show you.
How?
And 3, 2, go.
Oh, funny run, funny run.
Go!
Yes.
Oh, you stupid tree. You stupid tree. You stupid tree. I'm gonna make it.
Oh my god. Fast.
I'm already behind you. We haven't made it up the wall yet.
Oh, I messed up. You were using
Let's
gravity.
go.
You were using.
No, I'm not. I'm not.
Wait, what is that in
go.
the sky?
Go down.
It says something.
It does.
What does it say?
Hey, Caveman Curly.
Does it actually?
It looks like it. Watch. Woo!